Welcome to LearnXed, where we can help you elevate your organization's performance to new heights with exceptional corporate e-learning. LearnXed has built partnerships with leading LMS providers offering world-class corporate training through e-learning platforms to simplify corporate training for organizations. Our wide range of training helps elevate your employees' skills by providing the required training to develop new skill sets, empowers them to excel in their careers, enable them to stay compliant. Our corporate e-learning offers a range of benefits to organizations, including cost-effectiveness, scalability, and flexibility. With corporate e-learning, organizations can save on training costs associated with traditional classroom-based training, such as travel, accommodation, and materials. Additionally, our corporate e-learning courses can be easily scaled to accommodate the needs of a growing workforce, and they can be accessed from anywhere and at any time, making them ideal for remote workers. Unlock your employees' full potential by accelerating their skills, growth, and transformation. Don't wait, contact LearnXed to discuss your corporate training needs with our corporate training consultants. Visit learnxed.com.